Hey yo.
You a YouTuber? Hi YouTube.
Yeah, I'm recording right now. Say what's up.
She money coming quick, so she gon' throw that pussy fast. And I know niggas stitching for the cheese, they a ride. You know me, I'm never switching, yeah. My body different, they like Stevie, you a hero. Why they paint you as a villain? Cause they know my niggas elegant.
Hello? Hello? This is not as going as planned as I thought it would be. Hello? Hey yo, say what's up to YouTube. I'm screaming right now. I'm screaming right now, actually. Fast, you gon' roll up in your taxi.
You say you be getting packs, okay? Got this and that. Send my shooters where you at. Guarantee you getting whacked. Look, cook up like I'm Walter. Should've been on Breaking Bad. Look, step up in the room, you see the drink and hit with splash. She money coming quick, so she gon' throw that pussy fast. And I know niggas stitching for the cheese, they a ride. You know me, I'm never switching, yeah. My body different, they like Stevie, you a hero. Why they paint you as a villain? Cause they know my niggas elegant. Shoot up your residence, they love me in my city. Swear they treat me like the president. I ran me up a bag, up a bag, up a bag. I know they don't like it how I came up from doing bad. Had to run me up a bag, up a bag, up a bag. Gotta check like it's Nike, I just do it and never brag. You say you be getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in your stash. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting packs, okay? Got this and that. Send my shooters where you at. Guarantee you getting whacked.
Guarantee you getting whacked. Guarantee you getting done up. I know some niggas patiently waiting to catch it come up. Now you look like a stain. Once you spot it, you gotta rub off. We W ain't no one on. You never get the one up. Move on, but you could die tonight. It's just a stain. Hold your tongue. Where the funds? Don't play break. Don't play pump. Jackpot tonight. Heard you got it, then I need that. I thought you push your teeth back. Don't wanna hear no feedback, nigga.
Ain't no chit chat. You tryna get.
Hey yo, I'm screen recording right now, so say what's up to YouTube.
Your shit stats. Them windows tinted, sliding down, just splitting like a Kit Kat. Look, I'm from the.
It's your girl Elite. I'm one of the baddest. I'm classic, and I'm.
Back in 8th grade, we was scraping up change, trying to get a little Caesar's pizza.
Yo. Say what's up to YouTube. I'm screen recording right now.
Who's that? He looks like my phone. I can't hear you.
Bro, ain't nobody can hear me, really.
I don't speak Android.
I think I busted an eardrum, though. Yo, what's good with y'all?
You say you be getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in your stash. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting packs.
Hey yo, y'all wanna shout yourself on YouTube? Y'all wanna shout yourself on YouTube?
All I see is this. You kind of cute. You kind of.
I know.
I tab. You kind of cute.
Bitch said I'm kind of cute. Hold on, let me see if she follow me back though. Oh, I think she did just hold me back. Let me get some of that. Yeah. Yeah, she said I'm kind of cute. Yeah, I think this is the one I was just talking to.
It's okay, got this and that. Send my shooters where you at. Guarantee you getting whacked. Look, cook up like I'm Walter, should've been on Breaking Bad. Look, step up in the room, you see the drink and hit with splash. She money coming quick, so she gon' throw that pussy fast. And I know niggas stitching for the cheese, they're rad. You know me, I'm never switching, yeah. My body different, they like Sleepy, you a hero. Why they paint you as a villain? Cause they know my niggas elegant. Shoot up your residence, they love me in my city. Swear they treat me like the president. I ran me up a bag, up a bag, up a bag. I know they don't like it how I came up from doing bad. Had to run me up a bag, up a bag, up a bag. Got a check like it's Nike, I just do it and never brag. You say you be getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in stash. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting packs, okay?
Yo.
Got this and that, so this where you at.
Guarantee you getting back, guarantee you getting done up. I know some niggas patiently waiting to catch it come up. Now you look like a stain, once you spot it, you gotta rub off. We ain't no one on, you never get the one up. Move on, but you could die tonight. It's just a stain, hold your tongue. Where the funds, don't play brave, don't play pump, jackpot tonight. Heard you got it, then I need that. I thought you push your teeth back, don't.
Hey yo, I'm screen recording right now for YouTube, so say what's up if you want to.
Wanna hear no feedback, nigga. Hey.
You say you be getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in stash. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting cash. That's my shooters where you at. Guarantee you getting whack. Look, this shit I'm on Breaking Bad. Look, step up in the room, you see the drink and hit with splash. She money coming quick, so she gon' throw that pussy fast. And I know niggas stitching for the cheese, they're rad. You know me, I'm never switching, yeah. My body different, they like Sleepy, you a hero. Why they paint you as a villain? Cause they know my niggas elegant. Shoot up your residence, they love me in my city. Swear they treat me like the president. I ran me up a bag, up a bag, up a bag. I know they don't like it how I came up from doing bad. Had to run me up a bag, up a bag, up a bag. Got a check like it's Nike, I just do it and never brag. You say we getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in stash. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting packs, okay? Got this and that. Send my shooters where you at. Guarantee you getting whacked.
Guarantee you getting back, guarantee you getting done up. I know some niggas patiently waiting to catch it come up. Now you look like a stain, once you spot it, you gotta rub off. We ain't no one on, you never get the one up. Move on, but you could die tonight. It's just a stain, hold your tongue. Where the funds, don't play brave, don't play pump, jackpot tonight. Heard you got it, then I need that. I thought you push your teeth back, don't wanna hear no feedback, nigga.
Ain't no chit chat, you tryna get your shit snatched. Them windows tinted, slide it down, they splitting like a Kit Kat. Look, I'm from the street, you take an L, you gotta get back. And they don't want beef, we pull up on them with Big Mac. Getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in stash. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting packs, okay? Got this and that.
Hey yo, I'm screen recording right now for YouTube, so say what's up.
Hello.
I'm screen recording right now for YouTube, so say what's up if you want to.
Hey, little boy, you wanna come to my van? I've got candy.
Stranger, son. This
And what
is
kind of
you.
candy? Well, I got
Hey, watch the liquid.
lollipops,
Watch the liquid.
Tootsie Roll, Starburst, Dixie Sticks. We also have free Wi-Fi if you wanted to know. The Wi-Fi does come with a virus though, which tracks your every location. So
Zip it. Zip it. What is wrong with people?
Send my shooters where you at. Guarantee you getting whacked. You say you be getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in stash. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting packs, okay? Got this and that. Send my shooters where you at.
Hey yo, I'm screen recording right now for YouTube, so if y'all wanna say what's up, just say what's up if y'all want to.
hello. Your volume don't work on your
Y'all can shout y'all self out, shout your Instagram out, y'all can do whatever y'all want.
That's a bit.
Guarantee you getting whacked. Guarantee.
Why is everybody roasting me on Monkey though, bro? Well, only one girl said I'm kinda cute. Only one girl said I'm kinda cute.
Great job on the beat, battle man.
You say you be getting cash, okay? What's the facts? We gon' run up in your stash. Police on me like a rash. You say you be getting.
Hello? Hello? Who am I speaking to? Oh, I gotta go, people. I gotta go. I have to go. Wrestling about to come on in a couple minutes.